Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope by the grace of Almighty Allah, all of you are fine. Dear student, overall condition of the world is not satisfactory. Dear student, in this critical moment, you have to stay at home. Stay home, stay safe. May Allah help all of us. This is our lecture 5 on chapter 6. Dear student, this is journal, one of the most important chapter from your books. Dear student, after studying this chapter, this lecture, dear student, you can able to find the amount of incidental expenses. You can able to prepare a debit note. You can able to prepare a sales journal. Let's come to our class. This is CQ4 from your main books. I hope all of you will take your books so that you can easily see the question and you can join in the discussion. Dear student, incidental expenditure. What is called incidental expenditure? Incidental expense means the expense which is occurred at the time of purchase or sales goods. That means when we purchase goods or sell goods. Beside purchase, if I paid any amount of money for any other kind of expenses, that will call incidental expenditure, like carriage expenses, packing expenses, insurance premium paid, import duty paid. This is called incidental expenditure. I hope you understand what is incidental expenditure. That means for any incident, if we paid any expenses, paid any amount of money, that is incidental expenditure. Dear student, look at the stem. In date 5, here carriage expenses paid for selling goods. And date 15, here packing expenses paid for selling goods. So these two are incidental expenditure. Total amount of incidental expenditure is 1500 plus 500 equals to 2000. Dear student, now debit note. Look at how we can prepare debit note. Debit note is another important document for returning goods. Dear student, invoice we used for purchase and sales goods, and debit note you use for return goods. If we return goods to anybody, then we have to write a note, that is debit note. Look at here. At first you have to write the name of the organization. This is Khan Computer, and after that you have to write the address. No address is mentioned here, that's why it is vacant. Then you have to write debit note, and in this side debit note number, it is 501 in the question, and Raju Computer, that means return to Raju Computer. Then I have to write address and reference number, and in this side date. Dear student, now in the box, date, description of the goods, then amount. That means whose date, return goods, it is 20, and description 3 pieces computer return at the rate of taka 40,000 is due to inferior quality. That means whatever quality at the time of purchase or sales mentioned, if that quality is not maintained, then you can return it. So this type of 3 computer is returned whose price was 40,000. So 3 into 40,000, total amount is 1,20,000. And at the time of purchase and sales, the amount of discount is 5%. So discount is 5%, it is 6,000. How we can calculate 5%? 1,20,000 into 5 divided by 100, then it is 6,000. So it is 1,14,000. 1,14,000. Dear student, by mistake 1,14,500 is written, 1,14,000 will be here. 14,000, and it is written taka 1,14,000 only. and purchase manager. Sign. Now purchase journal. Dear student, what is called purchase journal? Earlier I have discussed. If you cannot remember, I will discuss again for you. Dear student, purchase journals means at the time of purchase goods, if you purchase on credit, then that will record it in the purchase journal. That means it is a special types of journal, and in this journal only purchase goods on credit that will be recorded. Dear student, look at the stem. In the stem, credit purchase is on day 5 and day 15. In day 5 we purchase from Mahi Computers, and day 15 we purchase from Raju Computer. And the box is date, account credited, condition, invoice, source, purchase debit, creditors account, credit. Dear student, we purchase from Mahi Computers, that's why we have written here Mahi Computers. We purchase from Raju Computers, that's why I have written here Raju Computers. Then condition, if there is any purchase condition, then we will write in this box. Dear student, then invoice number 509 is given, 311 is given, and source, in the source column, then only we will not write anything, just we will give it tick marks. And the journal, purchase account debit, creditors account credit. You know, when you purchase on credit, purchase account debit, and creditors account credit. Purchase is an expense, that's why it is debit, and creditors, it is your liability. If liability increase, then it is credit. Then look at the calculation. We purchase from Mahi Computers. Purchase price 8 computer, 36,000 each. So it is 8 into 36,000 equals to 2,88,000 less discount. The discount rate is 6%. Discount rate is 6%. So amount of discount is 17280. 17280. 2,88,000 into 6 divided by 100, then you will get the amount. Then we have to subtract 2,70,720, and we have to add carriage, that incidental expenses, 1,500. So total amount of purchase cost 2,72,220. That is, we have written here. Dear student, I would like to show you calculation again, because this is the most important. 8 computer you purchase, 8 into 36,000, so total price is 2,88,000. Then less discount. Important thing I would like to tell. Less discount. Add carriage. If you add earlier, then you less, you will get 0. Be careful. At first you have to subtract discount, then you have to add the expenses, because we know that for carriage we cannot charge any discount. This is, we may pay to truck driver or banwala or rickshaw puller, so they will not give any discount to you. So only purchase price you will receive the discount. That's why at first you have to subtract discount, then you have to add the incidental expenditure. Now Raju Computer, purchase price 6 computer into 40,000 each, so 2,40,000 is the purchase price. 2,40,000 is the purchase price. Then less 5% discount, it is 12,000. 2,40,000 into 5 divided by 100. So if we subtract, then it is 2,28,000. Then add packing expenses 500. So total 2,28,500. 2,28,500. And total amount of credit purchase is 2,72,28, 5,720. So this is very important, dear student, for your exam. At first try to learn the box, then calculation, then it is easy. It is one of the easier one. It is more easy than journal. So practice at your home. Dear student, this is your homework. Of course you will try at your home. CQ5 from your books. Inshallah, next class I will discuss this math so that you can understand. Dear student, for today, Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much. Stay at home, stay safe.